Shopping for groceries is a must. You've got everything and chicken is on the menu tonight, and you still don't have the perfect recipe. Well, here at Side Guy Cooks, we have the perfect recipe for you with lemongrass chicken. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade. Time for the chicken. Set your timer for 50 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Lemongrass is native to Southeast Asia. It was first cultivated in the Philippines during the 17th century. Its flavor has been described as a combination of lemon and mild ginger. Time to cook the rice. Let's prepare the dipping sauce. Looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the chicken is tender and juicy with the lemongrass providing a citrusy and slightly earthy flavor. I'm gonna have a little bit more. The rice and dipping sauce creates an added dimension to the overall flavor profile. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Tonight's dinner looks amazing. Stay with us. Watch the next video.